What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a VO3 video using the Gemini Pro. So here I'm just going to go ahead and give it a general prompt to the Gemini 3.5 Flash. I've asked it to write a prompt for the VO3 to create sci-fi superhero 10-second clip with my avatar. I'll tag it when using the prompt and be creative because I'm gonna go with a generic sort of a prompt, not gonna be specific about it, how the scene goes. So I'm gonna let Gemini be the creative work for it. Here's the detailed prompt. Now what I have to do, go to the videos over here, tag myself, for example, over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and use anime and then give it a flash. Now create the prompt. You can set the portrait, either the landscape. So let's go with the landscape mode and then submit it. Now it will take a few seconds and then it will create the specific sort of video that I have asked it to create. Let's wait a few seconds till it create the video out of it. It's gonna be take a few seconds. I'm generating your video. So while it creates the video, I want you to search about this: how to create the Gemini VO3 video prompt. So this is the detailed prompt. Like you guys can learn from it if we go to this specific website, dmind.google. Here you will learn about how to use it, what sort of frequency you have to provide, what sort of data that you have to give it to it in order to get the best output, like this one over here, like this one over here, and like this one over here. So you guys can create it out of the Gemini VO3, but you have to be creative with the prompt that you are giving to it. Let's wait a few more seconds till the video is ready, and then we'll just hop on and see what sort of video it has generated it for me. This looks so real, isn't it? Let's get back over here. The video is now ready. I'm gonna go ahead and see how does it look. It's buffering for a few seconds. See, this looks very realistic, very real, and at the same time, it gives a different sort of vibe. Just using a single prompt, you can create a video out of it. It's super amazing, right? So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next